Ka State Commission for Protection of Child Rights Scpcr kala Pynrem jur Halor ke Jingshah Kynnoh Thombor da way ubriu Pyrshah yaki khatsan Ngut ki Khynah red kibana West KHASI Hills. I syong kenor ka Scpcr ikong yamon langs iem hinden kesngi i layathu syakilat pathai khubor baki officer ka District Protection ringkat ki pulit kilawat jingtip shwa syapang katay ke Jingshah. Ikong yaman lang ila pentip ru ba insalet syakatay ke jaka la syam tayo ringkat ba dikit khot jong ke commission. Syu ila ong ba kani ke khubor kala pensyayong ngan ya ki pat ba bat kalong ke ke basngosi shibun haba perkhat ya ki jing bat ki jingshitom jong kitay ki lanon.
We have a number of programs with schools this week. We're really tied up. We have some inspections still, but most likely, hopefully, next week. We're just because the sooner the better. While it's still fresh, we'd like to meet with all those people. So then maybe we can have a better understanding, and we can perhaps have some clues and reasons as to why. One can never know reasons actually, but one can come to some conclusion that these are the vulnerabilities and how we can best deal with them. And I appeal to all villages that should be aware and be mindful of where the children, keep track of your children.
Shibinta ban rakhe ya ka environment